What's going on, naturing family? Mike here, back with another adventure. Today, we're out here on the Lackawanna Heritage Trail, enjoying this wonderful blizzard that we had the other day. We've got about a foot here in Scranton, and just gonna come out here and enjoy all of it. I'll show you behind me, right there. The only footprints in the place here belong to me, just getting here. And yeah, I'll flip it around. I wanna show you this beautiful snowy winter wonderland that we're in here. Yeah, guys, this is gonna be a beautiful little hike. We've got a lot of snow to walk. Don't have any snowshoes or anything like that, so we're just gonna be hoofing it in the shoes. So yeah, guys, glad to have you along for the adventure. And if you're new here, go ahead, hit that sub button down below, become part of the naturing family, and join us on all these wonderful adventures that I like to go on. And just look how beautiful that is. Those footprints. Only ones out here in this fresh powder. Absolutely amazing, guys. But I'll turn it around here and show you this beautiful spot here. Well, guys, so we're starting the adventure here at the end of the Lackawanna Heritage Trail here in Taylor, down here on the Elm Street trailhead. Guys, just had to come outside today and just look at that beautiful blue sky. Enjoy some nature, like peace and quiet out here. Didn't really expect anybody to be out here, but you never know who's going to show up. But this is absolutely beautiful out here. One of my favorite places to come and get a little winter hike in. Again, everything is just covered in that beautiful snow. With the river behind us, which we'll be making our way down to shortly. Just so pretty here in Pennsylvania when we get all this wonderful snow. But I'm going to carry down this trail and we're going to see what else we can see down a little bit further, guys. So bundle up, stay warm, get your hot cocos ready, and let's keep trucking. Well, guys, we're still trudging along, just enjoying this snowy hike, and this is going to work the legs, I'll tell you that. Up to almost knee height in some areas, and that's doubling up here in the distance, it feels like. But again, beautiful. Absolutely quiet. Wouldn't pass this up for anything, so glad I got some clothes on and headed out to the trail. But we're gonna be coming up to the Y and make our way a little closer to the river. Look at that, we got the little bunny crossing going along here. Going to check out the river right down there. But here we are, still moving. Just loving that color sky today. The grays and the blues mixed in. Just looks beautiful, doesn't it? And again, you see the sun over here starting to set. But we're gonna make our way further, maybe 100 yards ahead. We're making a point where we could switch off to the right, go into the woods area a little bit, and yeah, we'll get to go right down there close to the river. So that would be really nice to show you that on this beautiful snowy day. Well, Nature Inc. family, we made it to the Y, the fork in the road. As you can see, the poor turtle here is just like a mountain of snow. But we made some distance. We traveled. As you can see, all these footprints. Let me get down here for you. Yeah, look at all these beautiful footprints. Just me out here today. But as we go, we're gonna be making our way over here to the right side of the trail. This will take us off the rail trail section into a little loop, which eventually does connect back out with this section here on the left, but this is always a more scenic route. And just look at these gorgeous trees. Wow, guys. That's why I love winter hiking. So beautiful, but we're gonna carry on just further down here, and the river's just on our right. We'll be looping down there shortly, guys, so stay with me. We get our first shot here of the Lackawanna River. Just a beautiful little area here, guys. Tucked away, right between the towns. Just beautiful scenery. We got a nice high river today too. Oh well, almost at the river, guys. A couple more feet. We'll be able to take a right and get riverside. Well, guys, we made it down to about the halfway point where I wanted to get to. Wanted to at least make it down to the little rock amphitheater that we have here. But right here, guys, probably one of my favorite features of the trail here. And I absolutely love this thing right here. See if I can get it in view. That right there, absolutely beautiful. That's a hand-carved Native American statue. So beautiful. Let me just flip it around and just show you this little section of trail here in its beauty in this gorgeous snowfall. So let me turn it around for you. Well, here we are turned around at that beautiful statue, carved. And here's another spot here that I love. Again, they have these stone tables here that are quite buried. That one there has a nice umbrella, park benches. Just a quality place, guys. Let me take you over here and see if we can make it down. Show you the river close. So let me pause it for a second. So I have to try to climb down this little embankment here. But we're gonna get us down to the river, guys. I can promise you that. So just stay tuned and we'll get us down by there, get a close look at the river. Well guys, we made it down here right by the river, and just look how beautiful the scenery is. I mean, we have the light fading behind us here, giving us a beautiful golden look. Just incredible here. I can't stop looking at everything behind me in this camera, but it's so beautiful out here, guys. So happy we got this snow. Really enjoying it. And again, temperatures aren't too bad. It's probably 25, 26 out. Beautiful. I'm in a hoodie. I have a nice coat in the backpack here, but just enjoying the river here. Absolutely loving it. I'll turn it around here and just show you just how beautiful this whole environment is, guys. Well, here we are, just on the banks of the Lackawanna. And it is just stunning out here. Perfect temperature to be out on a hike. It's a powdery snow, so it's not too difficult to walk in. We have a beautiful sunset going down straight ahead. But this is such an amazing view here, guys. And I'm very glad I could just have you here enjoying the views here with me. I'm loving it here. Again, before we turn around and head back up that little hill, just look how beautiful it is here. Sky, the sunset, beautiful river here ahead. I mean, this is a stunning, stunning, stunning area. But that's where we came from. So we're gonna climb out of here and get back up to the main trail and see if we can continue our adventure, guys. This is so beautiful, that color. Wow. Well, Naturing family, spent a little longer down at the river than I expected. I was out there watching the ducks and just skipping rocks across the river, which is kind of fun. But I think we're gonna end the adventure here today. We're losing a lot of light, and I'll have to hike out of here in the dark time. But I wanted to get some footage for you guys of the blizzard here that we had. Again, here in the Scranton area, we got about 12 inches. It was predicted 18 to 36, I believe. So we got a little less than expected here, but again, enough to get me the day off work, get me out here on the trail, taking you guys out on another adventure here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the snow and this beautiful scenery right here behind me. Again, I love it. Just being out here, the sky, the snow. It's well worth the trek and the sore legs to follow. I don't know if you guys ever hiked in high snow before, but really works the legs out. So with that being said, I'm gonna get back to the main trail, retrace my steps out of here, which isn't gonna be that hard since I'm the only one here. You can see all my footsteps right there behind me that I'm following through. So all in all, awesome adventure. So glad you guys joined me today. And again, if you're new here, like what you saw, plenty of videos to check out, all nature related. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, like, share. Appreciate it so much, guys. 1,400 subs just passed, and it's been a year, guys. I want to say thank you guys so much for this awesome year. I really met some unbelievable people, chatted with many great people, got so many great gifts, didn't even expect them, but I'm so grateful for them. You guys are the best. And again, that's what makes me come out here, 20 degrees, marching in a foot of snow. To get out here, show you guys how much I appreciate you guys too. So hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. This is Mike from Out Naturing. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.